Please take notes. While trading can be rewarding, it comes with high level of risk and you can lose all your funds. And also note that videos on this channel are for educational purposes only. None is intended as investment advice. Please do your own research and also consult your financial advisor if you need one. Thank you. Welcome to your weekly gold trade outlook. I'm Ifeanyi Uche from Angeleyez Trading, bringing you institutional insights, economic forecast, and high probability swing setup for gold. Recap of last week's gold movement. Gold opened at 3,000.31 with an all-time high of 3,245 and a low of 2,956, closing at 3,239.37 with a weekly range of plus $258. What a powerful week for gold as geopolitical tension fuels demand. UBS has 3,500 long-term targets. BlackRock favors gold over treasuries. Wells Fargo raised their 2025 forecast to 3,200. Institutional sentiment, let's quickly look at it. Gold price targets to 3,500 by 2026 by UBS upgraded gold stocks like Newmont, while BlackRock has preferred gold over treasuries in uncertain climates. Wells Fargo also revised their gold target to 3,200 for 2025. What does this tell you? Institutions are clearly bullish on gold. Now, in the past week, following the geopolitical crisis, really, we in our trading platforms, we across our trading platform, we amassed over 7,085 pips worth of gold in profits with no loss, just following what the markets were doing, swing trading, day trading, and all of that. So, because institutions are clearly bullish on gold, and we want to see how that will still play out this coming week. So, key economic events to watch out for this week. On Wednesday, April 16th, we have the US retail sales, while Fed Chair Powell will be speaking on same Wednesday. Then on Thursday, April 17th, jobless claims from the US, Philadelphia Manufacturing Index, and building permits and housing starts. So, we'll be expecting volatility midweek. These reports shape sentiment. Swing trade setups to buy. So for gold, we'll be watching to buy the dip. So the pullback zone for gold, bullish buy will be at around 3,035 to 3,050. So that will be our buy entry zone, 3,035 to 3,050, with our first TP set at 3,180, second TP 3,245, and third TP 3,300. Then SL will be at below 2,002, 2,925, 2,925. Then swing trade setups for sell. We'll be monitoring gold to enter the overbought zone with overbought rally near resistance. So our entry zone for sell setup for gold will be around 3,280 to 3,300. Now, let me quickly explain this. By the time the market opens on Monday morning around 1 a.m. Local time here, we'll be expecting one of two things. Gold could first retrace, all right, and find its way down to the buy zone around that 30, 50 area. Okay, and there's a possibility it will do that for 30, 35 to 30, 50. Okay, then if that happens, then that means to be buying first. Do you get it? So, but if on the other hand it opens and head towards new highs, right? We just monitor it and watch out for institutional traders to begin to offload their profits. So around this zone, 3,280 to 3,300 area, then as they are offloading their profits, we will take advantage of that to find our swing trade setup for sell, with first TP being at 3,180, TP2 3,100, and then TP3 will be at 3,035, around where the buy zone will happen. But if it happens for buy first, of course, we'll do the other side, buying and then heading towards this area. If you check there you can see that they match. Okay, 3,300, 3,003, 3,280 to 3,300. So that's what we'll be doing this week. Strategic insights. So you need to monitor price reaction to Powell's speech, then track macro reports and adjust bias. Stick to risk reward rules strictly because institutional bias favors gold and trade setups favor precision. Free signals access. You want to join Angeleyez Profitable Trading Signals community for free, 6 months for free with limited time offer. You want to visit the link there, check in the description forum a link to get into our Telegram channel to quickly join us. Turn insights into income. Start winning with Angeleyez Profitable Trading Signals. Subscribe, like, comment, and follow Ifeanyi Uche for more updates on Facebook at Naira for Gold, LinkedIn at Coach Ifeanyi Uche. Stay profitable, stay focused. See you next week. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.